Hello guys, today we are going to understand the concepts of generator in JavaScript. So generator is basically a special type of function which can resume in the mid. That function can pause or resume. It's not a general function which basically execute from start to finish. It's a function that can stop in a midway and then continue where uh, from where it is stopped. So basically, generator simplify the task of writing iterator. Okay, and it's basically produce a sequence of result instead of single value. So we are going to see the generator with a different example. So in the first example, you can see a generator. So whenever, so in generator, we have to use a star after the function keyword. So then the function becomes the generator. Okay, and yield basically, the yield keyword basically represent means the execution will execution will pause here until the next iterator is called. So you can see in the console log we are so iterator.next. Whenever we call the iterator.next, it's a return an object with a value and a done uh, property. So value, this is the value. Okay, so value could be anything. Okay, if I do again iterator.next, what is happening? Okay, sorry, I placed the wrong file. Okay, so now you can see the value we are getting 1 from whatever we are yielding. So here basically you can see the other value we are not getting 2, 3, 4. So basically the execution is paused here, and it will resume only whenever we call the again the next iterator basically. So now you can see the value 2 and done false. So it so if you did the 5 times means until fourth time we will get the value 1, 2, 3, 4, and for the fifth time when you run the iterator. Okay, now but we don't have any yield statement basically, that's why we are getting value undefined and it's becoming true. Basically it represent we don't have any yield statement. Now here our function execution is stopped. So this is this iterator.next basically return an object basically we are calling next, which basically return this object value any, and this will undefined if we have if you don't have any yield statement. So when the value become true, the generator stop and it don't generate more value. Okay, so going to the second example. So I'll have to just, so in the second example what I'm doing now, here the value will be always false because the generator basically is stuck in the infinite loop. So if you call again couple of time next, we will always get the value done false. Since we are using generator, we won't face a stack overflow error. We will not face this issue because our generator basically stuck in the infinite loop. So this is uh, mm, uh, this way we can basically stop to get the stack overflow. If I remove this one, so our browser basically get stuck. So I want to remove this one, this statement. And the other example is something like this. So when you type a return in the generator function, and if you have another yield statement, then this yield statement won't execute. So you can see here. So you can see we are getting value 1, 2, 3 and value hello. So yield 1, yield 2, another generator means it's basically executing this another generator function. We are getting 3. Now at the end we are returning hello. So after return we have one yield statement, but it is not executing. Okay. If you type any yield after return, it won't execute. So that's why we are getting the value undefined, and this is getting true. So this is the concept of generator. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it.